Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Binance, US. First, understand that Binance, US is a regulated platform specifically for users in the United States, offering a wide range of digital assets. To begin, you'll need to create an account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. This ensures a secure trading environment for everyone. Once verified, you can explore various funding methods to deposit money into your account and start your crypto journey. Setting up your Binance US account is straightforward. Start by registering with your email and creating a robust password. Next, you'll proceed with identity verification, which typically involves submitting a government-issued ID and proof of address. This is a crucial step for compliance and security. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication, like Google Authenticator or SMS, to add an extra layer of protection to your digital assets. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. You can easily deposit money using an ACH bank transfer, which is often free, or by linking a debit card for instant purchases. After your funds arrive, head over to the Buy Crypto section. Choose the cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, enter the dollar amount you wish to invest, and review the transaction details before confirming your very first crypto purchase. As you delve into crypto, remember that market volatility is common, so only invest funds you're comfortable losing. For larger holdings, consider moving your assets to a hardware wallet for enhanced security, as it offers offline storage. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.